A basic math formula is the formula for simple interest. And simple interest is a quick way to calculate interest on a loan or another initial balance. And what it does is it applies interest to the whole amount over the whole time. So it doesn't take into account things like compound interest or the fact that you make payments or anything like that. The formula for simple interest is interest equals the principal, so that's the amount you started with, times rate times time. So we are given this problem. Malcolm bought a living room set for $1,800 and payments were spread over 36 months at an interest rate of 12%, and that's 12% a year as interest rates are usually stated. And we want to know two things. First of all, what is the total amount of interest on the loan? And secondly, how much is the monthly payment? Okay, so to find the interest, the formula, as we know, is I for interest equals P for the principal, R for the rate, T for the time. And again, since they're just beside each other, that means to multiply. So let's insert the values. So the principal is $1,800 times the rate, which is 12%. And if you remember, percent means over 100. So we could divide 12 by 100 to convert the percent to a decimal, right? So we want to get rid of this. We can just divide 12 by 100. And to divide 12 by 100, we're going to move the decimal two places. So it's 1,800 times 0.12 times 36, but it's 36 months and 1 year is 12 months, so it's 36 over 12. And again, we could just divide those in now, or we could wait and divide afterwards. But 36 divided by 12 is going to be 3. So we have 1,800 times 0.12 times 3. And when we work that all out, it's going to give us $648. So that's the answer to question 1. Over the 36 months, at 12% per year interest, he's going to pay $648 in interest. So now we want to know how much is the monthly payment. So to find that, first of all, we need to know the total. Total is going to be the principal plus the interest. The principal we know was $1,800 plus the interest was $648, so the total is $2,448. Now to find out the amount of his payment, we need to divide that amount, because it says they were spread over 36 months. Divide that amount by 36, and we'll find out that he pays $68 per month. That's another example of how you can replace the variables in a formula with quantities to solve a problem.